Sunita's hair. So this is dark. Okay, we are making it to light highlights. Nah? Yes or no? And I am going to 7, which is light. 5, 6, 7, 3 numbers light I am doing. You understand? So dark to light, 3 numbers higher. This one, this is already 8, no? See this? This is already which number? 8. 7, 8, right? This I will do the 7 point, darker. This is darker, this is light. Dark to light and light to dark. Simple. Very easy colors. No need to think, oh no. Now the selected shade is 7.3. This color, we are doing a funky color. And did you observe the technique? You can also draw the technique. It's V shape. This part. Yeah. So now. Okay, I hided the hair inside that. Horizontal section. Next section, gap of this much gap. Again second section. Okay, third section, again gap, third section. Fourth section, again gaps. Please ma'am. Okay, that again I will show starting. Okay, now the point is how to mix the color. You know what is the mixing ratio of Strings Professional Grey colors?
At the point mixing ratio.
You are all using, no? Yes or no? So what is the mixing ratio?
1:1.
Good. 1:1. Okay. So always squeeze the tube from the top. Don't do like this.
User and
so if total tube is 60 gram, how many grams?
60 gram.
So if I want only half tube, I will take only 30 gram.
30 gram.
Okay, see like this. Total, no? Don't do like this. We don't know how measurement.
Mixing ratio 3.
In Malayalam, we have to answer it in Malayalam.
30.
Right now. Okay, na? Total tube, see how neat, right? They have a squeezer in the shop. Just do this, no? You have squeezers.
Yes, sir.
You have no? So if you do it, also fine. If you use strength also, it's fine. Okay, no problem. Okay, now see 40 volume. How many levels?
3 levels.
You are understanding, everybody understanding? Line. One by one. Because after 1 year, no language I forgot. Okay, 40 volume. So don't put like this. Don't do like this. So each measurement is 15. 1 5. 15 plus 15, how much? 30 plus 15? 45 plus 15?
60.
Right now?
Yes.
1:1 mixing ratio. Up 60 gram tube to 60 gram dollar.
So 60 gram is done. Okay. So please just hold with my two fingers tightly, and then do this action. So just okay. And then on the top, this rest of the hair we will do global. So we will leave it like that. Coil please. Model. One by one. Yeah. Okay na? Okay. See on the top, just I am taking underneath. Chin down, chin down. Okay. See, this is the grip. And apply neat as possible. Okay. See, ends I am not doing. Why? Because already light. 40 volume. 20 volume, no problem. Okay, but 40 volume, just ignore, keep it aside. Okay, this is already light color. So I am just placing a foil like this and I am just folding the foil. Okay. Now, Jiram, is there any concerns? The hair is like a dry or straightening hair. On top of that color, it's called Lisaplex. Lisap is the brand name. Like, so you practice first with the sparkling. Which cream? Sparkling or conditioner. Same method. I'm just taking. Side, my third section. So if example, if I am doing the same, so if she take partition, center partition, it will be shown like a highlights, like a patch. So always make sure how blow dry, we'll do volumized blow dry, up, lift, like that. I'm just lifting towards 100%, 90 degrees, and then take the same manner towards this way, okay? And then just do this point and the back side. What will happen is it will be multiple bouncy highlights. Okay?
Client consultation,
so the techniques are n number, more of more. You can do like how lights are designed, no? Like that also you can put on this. Okay? See, techniques are your wish, but these are the basic parameters, lines you should do precisely like that. Never do the thick like this. It looks so ugly on this hair texture. It is not for this hair. It might be good for curly hair, little bit thicker curly hair. Thicker with more distance curly hair. But this hair texture, straight hair, I will do two techniques. One, the weave which I shown you, very baby weaves. Yeah, and the second one is a thin slice also. We can do thin slice like this. Very thin slice. Then apply the color. Okay, you can do straight hair. We can do anything, no limitation, but not very bulky. Okay. So now we will go to our regular process. So I am just holding the hair with my two fingers, this part, and then taking the weaves from a little bit of distance. Yeah. Okay. So we should be shown properly, otherwise at least this gap should be there, otherwise it will not. Got it? So in between. So this will be like a very micro line style. Okay. We are doing two techniques. One, the balayage. You had checked everyone in browse. You browse it in Google.